Homemade Body Scrubs for Glowing Skin 1. Coffee and Sugar Body Scrub for Glowing Skin. You will need 1/4 cup ground coffee, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 3 vitamin E capsules. Prep time 2 minutes, treatment time 10 minutes. Method: combine all the ingredients until you get a coarse paste. Cleanse your skin and apply this paste onto it. Use your fingers to gently massage the mixture, in circular motions, on your skin. Take 5-10 minutes to gently massage and exfoliate your body, spending 1-2 minutes on each part. Wash the mixture off your body using a hydrating body scrub and lukewarm water. How often? Use this body scrub about 2-3 times a week for a smooth and glowing skin. How it works: this is one of the best scrubs you could use for your skin. Coffee is rich in antioxidants which help fight cellulite, while the sugar in this mixture works as an exfoliator that helps get rid of dead skin. The olive oil in this scrub penetrates deep into your skin, hydrating it and keeping it healthy. Please like and subscribe to seasonal videos and click the bell icon to get new video updates.